Welcome to the Easy Rider Vantage explanation of what's for sale. Hope you enjoy this little video. Well, this is the bike and it's in absolutely brand new condition. As you can see, sparkling, the paintwork isn't chipped or anything like that at all. It's got quite a lot of gears. It's got 7 gears, a speedo, and you'll see 13.1 kilometers. That's all the bike has done. It has 5 passenger assist modes and manual, of course, with a light. On the bag, which is an extra but it's all included in the price, there are pannier bags on either side, so you can take this down to the shops and do your shopping and pop it in there and ride the bike home again with nice laden groceries inside your little bag. It is red and it has got reflective strips down the side for night time, of course. Taking off the saddle is very easily to remove the battery should you need to. When you're going somewhere, just pull the battery out, you turn and press the key in, and then it just slides out and slides back just as easily as you can see. The seat is sprung, and so that absorbs some of the shock of going over curbs, stones, whatever. Very comfortable ride. Now, as you're going to see now, this is the strip down process when you want to fold it up and put it into the boot of your car. It's quite simple. You let the handlebars down and then release the main clip that holds everything into place, and this is a very sturdy clip, so there's no need to be worried about the bike going sideways or whatever while you are riding. Undoing it is just the reverse process and takes a matter of seconds, and this, I assure you, is in real time. I haven't sped the thing up or slowed it down. Everything about the bike is quality, and quality is something that I expect out of a bike. You can see my bike in the background there, and that is the large one with the larger tyres. And here we've just got some stills that I've taken, and to show you the quality of what you are looking at. Brand new helmet goes with, it hasn't been worn, and the power pack, of course, with the information on the power pack there as well. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please press like, subscribe maybe to the channel, and thank you very much indeed. Bye for now.